What if I told you most of your decisions weren't yours? You are being controlled. This is dark art. They don't want you to master. The art of persuasion. Persuasion is not about speaking loud in arrogance or in anger. It's about controlling either behind shadows or in front without acting evil. It's about the silent control. Persuasion has 5 pressure points most manipulators use. First one, the manipulators give the victim small but meaningful gifts to build trust or use it for future. The human brain wants to return favors at any cost. The manipulators use this weakness of human mind. Second one, the manipulators at first give too much attention to the victim for at least 21 days because it's the time it takes to build a habit or break it. And once the victim is addicted to the attention, the manipulator pulls back. He doesn't give that much attention the victim wants. Third one, this trick can be helpful for the day-to-day work, not only for persuasion or manipulation. This technique is to be dressed well and smell good, and this is the most given advice on the YouTube, and most of us treat this technique like a bullshit, but this is the most used technique in the seduction and persuasion because the human mind will treat the same way the mind saw the first day. What I mean is the first impression, the yes technique. This technique can be explained like making the victim say yes and yes for everything, and to maintain the consistency, the victim will say yes when asked for a bigger request after a small one. Fifth one, mirroring. The technique that can be used to make a victim comfortable and reveal the hidden secrets. In this trick, we should copy the victim's body language and other things like frequently used words and much more. And these are the pressure points. You don't need force to control someone. You need their trust, fear, and other emotions. In persuasion, victims type play a vital role. So check out my video where I explain victims type. So if you want to learn more about these emotions, go check out our manipulation playlist where I also explain the core emotions of manipulation. What if I told you the most dangerous kind of control is the one that feels like freedom? The one where you feel like you are controlling, but you aren't. Let's see the persuasion in real life. Apple. It doesn't just sell phones, it sells identity and status. Apple uses the FOMO effect and the high status effect. They say all the rules are to protect us, but they are just for their benefits. The tax, the maintenance, the insurance, everything is to fill their own pockets. Remember, humans are selfish creatures. They are there for themselves, not for you. From big companies to your friends, everyone is selfish. So now you understood persuasion and the control. But don't forget to watch the videos in the description. Till then, remember, only the richest, the strongest, and the best survives.